Would you take $100 million to be dropped in the ocean every day? Here's the deal. You're offered $100 million, but every day for the rest of your life, you'll be dropped into a random part of the ocean for 30 seconds. There are no guarantees about where you'll land. It could be somewhere harmless, like a shallow reef, or smack in the middle of shark-infested waters. You might end up in freezing Arctic seas, or the middle of a calm tropical lagoon. The only certainty is, after exactly 30 seconds, you'll be pulled back to safety. You can't prepare for it. It could happen at any time during the day, while you're eating breakfast, in the middle of a meeting, or even asleep. There's no warning. One moment you're chilling, the next you're in the middle of the ocean. So, what's your answer? Would you take the $100 million, or is the ocean too much to handle?